Hi everyone. So today video I will explain you how we can modify WSO2 API Manager portal certificate. So as we already explained previous video, how we can change the self-signed certificate or server certificate in WSO2 EI layer. So we need to know how we can modify one more product of WSO2, that is API Manager. So let's start how we can do that one. And thank you so much like those who already completed a previous part of this video, and I got also a best response than previous video to 61 views. That is fine, it's very low but that is fine for me. So I want to know like to more engagement of this video, so I can little bit more explanation about how we can modify in API Manager. So let's start how we can do that one. So first we need to do what? We need to go to their home directory. This is our WSO2 API Manager home directory. So in home directory, there is your folder is the repository. Inside repository, open configuration folder. So in configuration, inside configuration folder, the same like in EI, there is two different file, but here it is deployment toml file. We need to change. So open this deployment toml file. So this file, as we already explained like how we can filter out that one. Those who are watching this video newly, kindly go through previous video. I prepared already part 15 and part 16, and also I will add in I button so you can check that one. So those who are already completed 15 and 16, so this video it will help like it will easier for them to learn that one. And those who are watching this video newly, kindly complete this 15 part and 16 part. So without wasting any time, let's complete this API Manager certificate. So here we need to search JKS file. So here you can see file name, right? The region TLS key store is there. Okay. So in TLS key store, as we already explained, like how we can how we can create a JKS file and how we can create a server certificate. Already I upload one video part 15. So kindly go through that. You will understand how you can create your own self-signed certificate and own server certificate by yourself. Now we need to do what? Let's go through this configuration file. So this is our deployment folder. So the deployment file. So this file we need to modify our current file name. So before that, what we need to do? We need to go to our certificate folder. Copy the two files. One is JKS file and one is server public certificate. Let me copy this one. Go through repository folder. There is one more folder is here, resource. So inside resource you can see one folder is here, right? Security. So this security folder we need to add that two custom file. One is for JKS file, one is for public certificate. So this JKS file will consider as a new key store, and this public certificate will import in client store. So WSO2 will understand our new certificate. So what we need to do? The same name we need to modify in deployment toml file. Let me rename this one to WSO2 and save this file. This is only one configuration. And what is the alias name we added earlier? So already we are using, as you know, in Git we are storing all the source code. Those who are watching this video newly, I will add the description box this link. Kindly go through that one. So this link, what I added a previous video, we added one pfx file with this alias name WSO2, and we added file name also with this name WSO2. So the same name we will reuse here, WSO2 in here you can one more field name is there, right? Alias. Add that alias name in here. Let me save this file. So this alias and this file, it will consider as a new certificate and new JKS file. So how WSO2 will understand? So this alias will import as a public certificate in TrustStore. So we added one command here, import command. Let me copy this one. So this is our running cell. Okay, so we will not terminate this one. Let me open one more cell. So it depends on you want to execute in CMD or PowerShell. It depends on yourself. What I need to do here? Let me copy this path. This is my home directory where I installed WSO2 API Manager. So I need to enter to that folder. Yeah. So CD. Let me enter that folder. Now I enter to security folder. Let me type dir. So list of dir, it will print you our all the files inside that folder. So here this is our new jks file and this is our new cer file. So this .cer file we need to import in keystore. So let's start to do this process. Let me go through git. Let me copy this command, open that new cell which you opened, right? So execute this one. Sorry, 1 minute. Let's copy this one properly. Let me copy this one, right click and copy, go through terminal again, paste here. So it will ask you on trust the certificate. I'm adding here yes. So it is showing what certificate was added to keystore. So now our new certificate is added to WSO2 API Manager keystore. So after adding this one, make sure after modifying this file, you need to save this file, okay? Without save, it will not reflect your certificate in TrustStore. So what we need to do, now our configuration done, we need to go to our running cell. Here we need to restart API Manager. So it will take few seconds. I am suggesting you kindly skip this restart and step. So now you can see the product has already been started here. So the URL, it's confirmed like product started. This is our console URL, this is developer URL, this is publisher URL. So let's start to verify our certificate is updated in UI or not. Let me open browser, reload this page. So if you go through not secure and certificate details, so here you could see, right, our common name is new localhost u2 and the expiry is 2025 and expired on 2027. So side by side, let me show you. Let me double click our new certificate. So here you will confirm like issued to YouTube. So organization name is YouTube, issued by localhost. So this is also localhost, and the issued on 5 August 2025. This is also same, and the expired date up to 8 November. So it's also November 8, 2027. So hope it's clarified like how you can modify your own self-signed server certificate in WSO2 API Manager. So thank you so much those who are watching my video. So kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, and comment also in any of the video if you have any query and concern. I'll try to improve that one. And kindly share this video to your friend circle or your students, like it may be helpful for them. Thank you so much. Keep on my channel.